Today I'm getting ready to throw the transmission back in the Demon. I'm going to use the old 904 it originally had in it just to get the car up and running while I rework the 727 and the other motor. I purchased a 91 through 95 Dakota starter for their V8 off of Amazon. I'm going to be checking that out and take a look at the differences for the clearances for the headers and all. Let's take a look at that. Alright, here's the new starter. Got the other one over here. Let's get this thing unpackaged. So, just testing for it. Like I said, I just picked this up about Amazon. I'll get you the price and all. It's cheap. So, it looks good, and put them next to each other. Quite a bit different. You're looking at a couple inches at least. Matter of fact, we'll bolt them in, measure them up from the nose back. 10 3/4, 9. So, a couple inches there. No, fits right in. That looks like it's going to work out real well. Looks like we got the mounts are going to be different. We'll have to see how that looks with the headers in there. But all in all, this looks like it's going to work out well. Because getting this one out is a bear. Now let me get back into this installation, get this tranny up in there, and we'll see what happens. I'll put some links in there for this starter if this all works out. Look, it's pretty decent. All right, let's take a look and see how this starter is going to go in. Got the header loose.
I had to remove the bolts, rotate that starter down with those electrical terminals being up top, hook up the wires. Simple that way, just spin her back up there, put the bolts back in. But as you can see, with that header being loose, it made it easy to go in once you found your position. But if those headers are still bolted in, I don't think that starter is going to fit in there. There's no way. But all in all, I'm happy with it.